Hi, I'm Steve McIntyre. I'm the CMO of Nimans, and today I wanted to take you through an unboxing video for the new JPL, the Voice and Vision Webcam 1, a 1080p 30 frames per second USB web camera, which comes in this very nice packaging, which is very nice and tightly designed. And it's quite a large webcam, but it also has a dual microphone array built in, USB-A connectivity. And one of the other things I like about this camera is it has a standard tripod screw connection on the bottom, as well as being able to unfold it and mount it onto a screen quite easily. So there's a USB cables that come with it and the instructions, which we all know stay in the box. Men never read instructions. But I thought I would give a little bit of an unboxing so you can see how professionally this comes packaged. It is a very good looking kit, but I guess the main test for any webcam is to see how it performs as a video camera. So instead of having our usual audio tests, I'll try and cut through the video that's recorded on this camera through to the video recorded through the USB camera on a call, and you'll be able to see the comparison of it and see how well it works. Okay, so now we've got the camera all plugged in, we've got the two camera feeds which I'll record, and it was simply a matter of plugging the USB-A end into the computer, and there's a USB-C connection on the back of the camera. The first thing that's very apparent when you connect the camera is that it has a 96-degree wide angle field of view, so even in a meeting room there's still space where you could be socially distanced and keep everybody on the camera. So this will be useful for huddle rooms and medium-sized meeting rooms. Plug and play, so it'll work with Skype, Microsoft Teams, Circuit, Zoom, whichever video platform you want to plug it into. This is out of the box how it performs. So it has a dual microphone array which gives great sound pickup. That also has automatic noise suppression. There's automatic echo cancellation, which means if you're replacing your laptop camera, you can use this one to take out any of the noise that comes from the speakers. In terms of the sound level pickup, I'll move the clip from this camera that is my normal one for recording on to the JPL camera so you can hear the difference in the audio levels. It looks to be great colour that's being reproduced. As I say, I will cut to both clips so you can see that my standard production camera for the videos, as opposed to the JPL camera, which looks very sharp, the colours look very true, and I am very impressed with it. So given that there is a nationwide shortage, if not a global shortage of webcams at the moment, with everyone working from home with the COVID-19 pandemic, I would recommend you get in touch with your Nimans account manager and secure yourself some stock of these JPL cameras, because I am very sure they will be moving quickly. They're a great cost-effective item that is a piece of cake to set up and delivers a very good piece of quality communications equipment. And if you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below and you will notify you when our next video comes out. So this is the JPL Vision and Voice web camera. Thank you.